Hi, I'm Angela Huffman at Quilted Joy. I want to show you a great border design. I call it Star Flower Parade. I've got a little tick mark that's the halfway point. So this is a 3-inch border with 4-inch registration lines, a little tick every 2 inches. I'm going to do a bunny hop over with a loop and up. And I'm going to come down to the middle again with a loop and up and down to the middle and bunny hop over. And then one more time. So a loop to the center. Head down to the center, back up, head down to the center, bunny hop over. Bunny hop with a loop, just a half of a loopy star as it wanders its way across your border. Thanks for watching. I'd love to see what you're working on. Be sure to join us on all of our social media channels, and we have a lot of great tutorials and workshops for you that you'll find in our newsletter. The link is down there in the description. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and ring the bell, because then you'll be notified every time we post a new video.